Exclusive copper large Codelco sees very organization, copper fee beforehand no matter latest drop. Chairman Santiago Chilean state-owned copper miner Codelco, the sector's pinnacle producer of the crimson metal, sees a organization copper rate beforehand no matter a latest sharp fall, chairman of the board Máximo Pacheco instructed in an interview in Santiago. The remarks come as copper prices published their biggest weekly fall in a year as traders concerned that efforts with the aid of principal banks to stem inflation will stifle international economic boom and reduce demand for metals. We can be in brief short-term turbulence, but what's critical here are the basics. The supply-demand balance seems very favorable to the ones of us who have copper reserves, Pacheco mentioned. In an international wherein copper is the conductor par excellence and in which there are not many new deposits both, the fee of copper looks very organization due to the fact the destiny seems very electric powered. Benchmark copper on the London Metal Exchange becomes 0.5% lower at $8,367 a ton on Friday after touching $8,122.50, down 25% from a height in March and the lowest stage on the grounds that February 2021. Other commercial metals additionally tumbled. Pacheco, a former strength minister appointed earlier this year, mentioned the once-a-year production purpose might be maintained at 1.7 million tons while he changed into in charge, along with for this year. He stated expenses needed to be saved in test. In this industry we compete with expenses and that is why we want to be competitive, he said. Chile's government said this week it would allow Codelco, which offers all its earnings to the kingdom, to keep 30% of its profits from remaining year to help finance an ambitious $40 billion investment plan till the cease of the decade. We have this portfolio of very huge projects and the Chilean state decided to exchange the dividend coverage exactly as a way to finance those strategic tasks now not only with depreciation and debt however additionally with reinvestment, he said. The executive mentioned the injection of assets might permit the organization's debt to stay highly solid, currently at a few $18 billion, although it would nevertheless search for opportunities to go to debt markets to improve its adulthood curve.